Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to isolate or remove the vocals in CapCut. In order to do so, first off I have a project open here in CapCut, and you can see here at the bottom that I have my music, and we'll just give that a quick little listen so that you know what we're doing here.
It's close for you. One day you'll realize you compromised your sense of inner truth.
So there you go. You have some vocals there, and what we want to do is we want to either remove or isolate the vocals. So in order to do so, we want to make sure that the music is selected in the project, and then from there up at the top right hand corner you're going to get this menu here. You're going to want to scroll down just a little bit because the vocal isolation option is here. First thing you're going to do is you want to make sure that you check the box there, and once you check the box, then you're going to see a progress indicator right here. It's not going to show up now because I've already done this, but you are going to want to make sure that that progress indicator is done before you export your project. Then from there you want to take a look at this drop down box, and you're going to see that you have two options: either remove the vocal or keep the vocal. And essentially that is, if you select remove vocal, then that's going to remove the vocals and it's going to keep the music. So you could see here that that is starting to process, so that gives you an idea of what to expect there. So we want to make sure that that's done before we export the project. Now if you want to put it on keep vocal, then it essentially does the opposite. It will remove the music but keep the vocals. So if that's what you're looking for, then you can do that with CapCut. The last thing to note is that this is part of the Pro subscription. So if you do want to use this function, then you are going to want to make sure that you have the Pro subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.